What's good, people? It's your boy Let's Do React, and welcome back to the channel. And guys, I'm having a blessed day today, man. I'm enjoying myself, man. Weather is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? In Florida, we don't normally get this, you know, it's like wintertime for us, man. And it's not too hot, not too cold. But I'm hoping you guys having a beautiful day, man. I know a lot of you guys got bundled up and all that, man. And, you know, just know that you're blessed, man. Like I often tell you, with me, we blessed. You know what I'm saying? What we got today, man? 20 hero animals that saved human lives. But before we jump into this video, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, man. Give this video a like. You'll be helping your boy out, and at the same time, you'll be doing me a favor. And if you haven't already, light that thing up for your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? You got me? Appreciate it. Let's get it.
This man nearly gives his overprotective dogs a heart attack when he heaves himself off a rope swing into the river.
He really loves his owner.
When this toddler attempts to catch a better view of the city, his cat springs into action and says, "No way."
Nah, bruh. Nah, don't do that. Nah, don't do that. That's a good cat, man.
This baby elephant turned part-time lifeguard powers across a raging river to rescue a man that's in desperate need of help.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up. What's up, man?
Unbeknownst to his zookeeper, a leopard charges him from behind. But lucky for him, a tiger comes to his rescue.
¿Quieren pasar a saludar, niñas? Sí. Pone muy rico el ambiente aquí.
What's up, what?
Hey!
Hey, you don't bite the hand that feeds you, man.
This
That's
woman
real.
owes this whale a big thanks after it protected her from a lethal tiger shark attack.
Hiding me.
Beautiful.
He came right for me. He didn't stop. He kept pushing.
Let me stop there right quick, man. It comes to show you, man, how magnificent, you know, how gracious our God is, man. Look at a beautiful creature like this. You know, that's a beast, man. Beast of the sea, man. And, you know, animals really do kind things, man. You know, they're like angels in some sort, you know, in a sort. And, you know, when I see things like this, man, you know, hey, I'm touched by it. Others might not care, you know, but, hey, you know, I don't take that lightly, man. You know, that's what's up.
Man, yeah, the way
Pretty bad. Eaten by that shark, bro.
I got to the back of the boat and I was laughing.
When a strange man wanders into this woman's home, her 120-pound Great Dane goes in for the kill.
How you go, bro? I know Buddy would never forget that moment, boy.
An incredible display of guard dog training. This dog will do whatever it takes to protect its family. This doggy latches onto the neck of a vicious goose that's attempting to attack its owner.
To kick that goose, man.
This cold-blooded assassin of a guard dog comes out of nowhere to save a young boy from being kidnapped. Onlookers gasp in fear when a gorilla decides to comfort an injured boy instead of viciously attacking him.
I remember this. got the gorilla name and all.
Never before such a fascinating and never before this full-grown male gorilla encountered a human within his domain. Only the worst could be imagined.
Yeah, battery going low.
This dog won't go to sleep until he knows that all his family members are tucked in safe and sound.
I had a dog like that.
This fluffy hero flags down a car to help his owner that's having a seizure in the street.
Kelly says
Smart,
she
man.
is forever thankful.
Of course, you've heard of a guard dog, but have you ever heard of a guard horse? In a crazy display of leadership, this German Shepherd led the fire department to the fire they couldn't find.
Find the fire which was threatening the Heinrich home. Recognized that something was unusual when he saw Buddy.
Only animals could talk, man.
Dog's
You
action,
know?
and acting on a hunch, he followed Buddy to the house that was being threatened by the fire. Thus,
A woman, a horse, and two curious dogs team up to find a 2-year-old that was lost in the woods.
Up to the Hardy Creek Trailhead. I just kind of followed instinct and really felt where would this person be, and they were crying. So I said to Wilson, go get her, show me the way, and he did. Wilson's the red one. These are miniature Australian Shepherds.
Nice looking dogs, man.
If it weren't for this heroic cat coming to the rescue,
Died on me, man. Well, guys, they done cut off the light on us, man, once again, man. You know, like I often tell you, catch you on the next one. I hope you have a blessed one. And remember, no Christ, no life. So live life for Christ. Love you. Peace.